today we're gonna do the birdie bird so he doesn't bite. Just tickle, it hurts.
And you can stroke it.
Yeah. And he doesn't bite and hurt. He hurts now. Ow!
So now, hello guys again. We can stroke it. It tickles a bit, but it's alright. It hurts a bit, but it's still alright. And you know, it doesn't bite. It's finished. So, to be continued, we're gonna have a new bird.
Bye!
Bye. Just on